It's always great when the
family gets together.
By the way, this is my son. My son.
And there's her son. She's got a wonderful recipe she's going to share with us today. And of course, she's not going to be Mexican or Spanish. Okay, can you speak any Mexican at all? Restaurant. She's wilder than ever.
Oh, there's the pot. By the way, this is my son. Okay, this is my son with my son.
No, wait, is that, wait. What kind of sausage is that? Hot?
Okay, this is meat sausage. And you take it out of the case. Sometimes they'll have it loose, but sometimes they don't. Okay, so now we have to add a hand. When I see a cop, I get real nervous.
Yay.
Some mushrooms.
Do you tell your age or do you want us to guess?
I'm 102. This is a cup of cheese.
What kind of cheese?
This is so much fun. Cooking it. She's doing